Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best keratin treatment is probably one of the most sought-after hair treatments for those battling unruly or frizzy hair. This treatment promises to transform your locks, leaving them sleek, smooth, and manageable. But is it right for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of keratin treatments, exploring what they are, how they work, and what you need to know before taking the plunge. Number 5. Vitamins Keratin Hair Mask. This mask is a 2-in-1 conditioner and hair mask, providing deep conditioning and repair for dry, damaged hair. It's perfect for all hair types. It's formulated with keratin, collagen, and nourishing oils to restore health and shine to your hair. Say goodbye to dryness and damage. Whether your hair is curly or straight, thick or thin, this mask will leave it feeling soft, shiny, and silky. It's suitable for all hair types and textures. It provides intensive bond repair, helping to restore damaged hair and promote growth. It's also great for color-treated hair. This mask is a strengthening moisturizer that boosts hydration and helps repair brittle hair. It revives your scalp and roots for healthy hair. It provides frizz control and long-lasting moisture, leaving your hair smoother and easier to style. It also protects against heat damage. It's a safe, weightless formula that won't weigh down your hair. It's also sulfate, paraben, and alcohol-free, and cruelty-free. What we like? This product deeply conditions and repairs damaged hair. It also offers advanced frizz control and long-lasting moisture. If you have dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, this is a great choice. It will help restore your hair's health and leave it looking smooth and shiny. What people say. Keeps my hair soft, smooth, shiny, healthy. Now my hairs feel like very soft, smooth, and shiny. This worked wonders. My hair looks and feels phenomenal after one use. Number 4. Vitamins Keratin Hair Mask. Transform your hair with our luxurious keratin hair mask. It's a deep conditioner that repairs and hydrates, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and healthy. This 2-in-1 formula acts as both a conditioner and a mask. It combines the benefits of keratin, collagen, and various oils for a salon-quality experience at home. It's a deep conditioning treatment that repairs damaged hair and promotes growth. It's perfect for color-treated, dry, or brittle hair. The unique blend of biotin and castor oil intensely moisturizes and strengthens your hair. It helps to revive your scalp and roots, leaving your hair healthy and strong. This mask provides advanced frizz control and long-lasting moisture. It helps to tame curls, smooth split ends, and protect against heat damage. It's a safe and weightless formula that won't weigh down your hair. It's suitable for various hair textures and is free of sulfates, parabens, and alcohol. What we like? This smoothing treatment creates smooth, frizz-free styles that last. It's thermally activated, meaning it works with the heat of your styling tools. If you are looking for a long-lasting solution to tame your hair, this is the one for you. What people say. Keeps my hair soft, smooth, shiny, healthy. Now my hairs feel like very soft, smooth, and shiny. This worked wonders. My hair looks and feels phenomenal after one use. Number 3. Keratin K-Trix 5. This innovative serum is designed to create smooth, frizz-free styles that last. It's thermally activated, meaning it works best when paired with heat styling tools. It smooths the hair cuticle, locks in moisture, and seals out humidity. Enjoy styles that last up to 5 days, even with daily shampooing. For best results, use this smoothing treatment with the Keratin Reconstructing Shampoo and Conditioner. This creates the ultimate hair smoothing routine. Offers a range of masks and treatments to deeply nourish and repair dry, damaged, or overworked hair. It improves hair's overall luster and appearance. Before blow drying, apply a small amount to your hair and distribute evenly. Then, blow dry and follow with a ceramic hairstyling iron for optimal results. Founded by a hairdresser, it's committed to creating high-quality, ethical hair care. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. What we like? This serum provides instant shine and heat protection. It also offers perfect frizz control for all hair types. If you like a product that can do all the above, you should consider this one. It will leave your hair looking and feeling its best. What people say. Thick and clear, no scent, smooths easily through my straw-like hair, wet or dry. Not at all greasy, oily, and moisturizes so well that my hair is once again soft to the touch. It smells amazing and truly makes my hair silky, even when I only blow dry it. The silk texture and frizz reduction lasts until the next time I wash my hair, not just that day. Worked great to repair my overprocessed hair. I've used cheap products in the past, but this is the first time I've tried the keratin repair. I was very pleasantly surprised and would recommend it to anybody who has dry, lifeless hair. Just be careful not to use too much. A little goes a long way. You can always add more, but if you put too much on, you have to wash your hair and start over again. Number 2. Vitamins Keratin Hair Serum. It transforms your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and full of life. Experience the luxurious feel of salon-quality results at home. This deeply moisturizing serum repairs dry, damaged hair. Say goodbye to split ends and hello to healthy, revitalized locks. It strengthens your hair from root to tip, shielding it from heat damage and breakage. It's your ultimate heat protectant. This serum effortlessly controls frizz and flyaways, leaving your hair smooth and manageable, no matter the weather. It works on all hair types. The weightless formula boosts volume and shine without weighing your hair down. It's paraben and cruelty-free, perfect for daily use. What we like. This keratin treatment provides immediate and long-lasting results. It's suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. If you are looking for a quick and effective way to smooth and straighten your hair, this is the perfect choice. It will give you the sleek, straight hair you've always wanted. What people say. It works so well I'm taking the time to write this review and tell you about it. My hair is light, straight, silky and has just the right amount of slip. It actually looks and moves like hair rather than a wad of crabgrass. No more frizzy dried out mess. From the very first use, I noticed a visible difference. Just a small amount goes a long way, leaving my hair smooth, shiny, and full of life. My hair feels hydrated, but not weighed down, and it's so much easier to manage. It even tames frizz, which is a huge bonus. Leaves hair silky smooth after just one use. I've only used it twice but am amazed at the improvement in my hair already. Number 1. KERAZON Buriti Liss Kit. Transform your hair with the KERAZON Buriti Liss Kit. This at-home keratin treatment will leave your hair smoother and straighter than ever before. It doesn't matter if your hair is colored, permed, or previously treated, this kit works wonders on all hair types. Get ready for amazing results. See the difference instantly. It aligns the hair cuticle, leaving it weightless, smooth, and intensely shiny. This unique formula is enriched with green keratin, amino acids, and buriti oil. It provides intense moisture and shine while strengthening your hair. Experience shiner, stronger, and straighter hair. It's infused with hydrolyzed proteins and amino acids for maximum performance and protection. Enjoy long-lasting results without any downtime or waiting. It's the perfect solution for busy lifestyles. What we like. This product deeply conditions and repairs damaged hair. It also offers advanced frizz control and long-lasting moisture. If you have dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, this is a great choice. It will help restore your hair's health and leave it looking smooth and shiny. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.